how to use the by the way or the BTW command in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use the BTW or the by the way while you are having another prompt in progress. So as here you can see, I already have this Claude API command running, and let's say I want to type in something else so that it could process. So what I can do is, instead of waiting, I can simply go to a new terminal line and then type in a forward slash and then BTW, and then I can type in the question. So for example, let's say, and then I can simply hit the enter button so that both of my processes are running parallelly. So it is running the Claude API command in this first process, and then it is answering my BTW question that I just asked it. So that's how easily you can use the by the way or the BTW command so that Claude can answer parallelly to your questions. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.